It is nice to know that Indian Railways is organizing a vigilance fortnight to focus on preventive vigilance. As we go along, bringing transparency into the system, making sure that all transactions that the railways have are fully above board, it is extremely important that we must have a system in place to ensure that there is accountability, there is an element of transparency, as well as it really brings in the good governance part of it. The good governance has many connotations. One can talk about good governance in many forms, but if it is not transparent, it can never be a good governance. So transparency is very important. To bring in transparency, it is important that we must understand all aspects of a transaction in a very open manner, and if anybody is trying to hoodwink a system, we should be able to have a system to get rid of that person or that particular element. To make that, eventually post transaction taking action is one part, but then the loss has already suffered. So what is far more important is a preventive action. Like we say, the medicine is important, but preventive medicine is far more effective and far more important. So therefore the preventive vigilance has to be inbuilt into the system to ensure that would involve a systems audit. It would involve finding out the loopholes wherein there is a possibility of somebody can take the system for right, ensuring that there are internal controls in place. If there are no internal controls, there cannot be effective preventive maintenance. Therefore constantly evaluate the internal control mechanism is an important aspect of any preventive vigilance part of it. The internal controls have to be put in place in such a way that anything going wrong will be automatically flagged off, and that is very important. Also we must ensure in railways, and which I am going to insist, is an internal audit system. We must have, there are CAG audits which happen post transaction, but you must have internal audits on an ongoing basis to find out whether there is a management element which is also brought into it to ensure that whatever expense we incurred or whatever transaction we do results into the desired results, and that is why we must try to work on the system. I am very happy nonetheless that we are making a beginning in bringing in preventive maintenance as a tool that the management will employ to ensure that vigilance activities are integrated into the entire mainstream of railways activity.